Okay, let's go.
Hi, I'm Ray, the representative of Supernova. I'll let Fabio introduce the rest of the team.
In your team, we have people overlooking the smooth running of all operations, but anyone is welcome to join us to help or simply to learn. So, we have an electronic designer for both of your mission, the nerd of software designer, people who are really bad at making notes as parachute designer, the hothead on testing, the really selfish people as planning leader, a budget manager, the most immoral human being in human resource, two in communication management, a 3D designer who struggle with Blender, and a shark of budget keeper. The normal people in the team are on antenna. Somehow it all works. Now, let's talk some theory.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
Did you ever plan to visit an unknown planet? If you did, you must have asked yourself, is this planet in a cosmic storm? Am I going right into a planet that is highly radioactive?
Oh no, I never thought of that. Should I?
Indeed, you should have, Ray. But we already have a solution. Our CanSat is able to detect the radioactivity by clicks per minute. And you know what? We already tasted it at ULB with a real source of radioactivity and at different distances of the source.
And how will you detect these particles?
We will use a Geiger counter. It's a counter that detects radioactivity by clicks per minute. Here is you can see behind me the results of our measurements. And with these measurements, we are able to know if our CanSat works well or not.
So we already have made some prototypes for the 3D design. We made sure that we could screw on a lid while still being able to fit every component in it. We also made a parachute, and it's working. We made an antenna with a working antenna with the help of some professionals, but unfortunately we ran into some problems. Every single time we plugged in an RFM69 to the antenna, it just stopped working. So we are currently trying to fix that issue, but if we don't manage to do that, we have backup antenna.
And how about the hardware?
Yeah, that's right. I forgot about the hardware. So for the hardware, we are using a Raspberry Pi Pico linked up to a BMP280 that detects the altitude, pressure, and temperature, which is all sent to the ground station via an RFM69.
For the communication, we did the open doors of a school. We had a stand with a little activity for younger people. We also did the Marché des Connaissances. It's when all the club of a school meet and explain what they do. We are also organizing an activity for the 4th and 5th grade that we call Marcel.
Marcel?
Yes, Marcel. Then we have to do a parachute, try the electronic part, make a mini CanSat, and even have the chance to present a project. This will be the 19th and 20th of May, so the competition of CanSat will have already ended. But the goal with this competition is that the student can learn more about CanSat and consider joining the next year. We have an Instagram account, we are active on it. We also have a YouTube channel when we post some vlogs, some explanation of what we are doing. We explain who we are and what we are doing.
But the hardest part, and also the most interesting, isn't the sciencey techie stuff, nor the amazing communication. It's being a coherent team. Being a coherent team is so hard, it's mad. At the same time, we all love this project, and we're now a great group of friends. We have been at each other's throats at times over writing the report or testing the Geiger counter over and over again, but forgetting to write down the results. Oh yeah, he did that. Jokes aside, we've been through a lot and had some really fun times too, like visiting the ESA with our friend over here. And it turns out we now have a presentation to do in 5 minutes. What the hell are you doing, guys?
To finish off, we are proud of what has been achieved. We have a full-on song, 90% finished animation, a primary mission, an almost working antenna, final parachute, and a comprehensive understanding of cosmic rays. But if there's one thing to take away from this project so far, it's how to work as a team. We all love the project and each other and put our heart and souls into it. All we can do now is hope that you feel that too.
Let me finish. Thank you.